Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, January 31st, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have the US dollar interest rate tonight. It was actually a very, very nice predictable setup, especially when you start looking at correlated dollar pairs. Nice one, two, three waves up. The move definitely did kind of mess with people. It spiked up and down, but it was a very reliable, nice end of a correction. If you were participating in the live stream that I did during the news tonight, then you probably had a really nice short on at least one of these dollar pairs. And at this point, I kind of feel like it is very likely that it will continue the downtrend. So I definitely wouldn't go short now, but if it does make a pullback on a shorter time frame, especially, I would be looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of pullbacks, probably for the continuation of what I think is going to be a wave C of wave Y. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.